Outsourcing isn't just a tool that helps businesses grow. It's a way to tackle problems that hinder future progress. Let's look at 5 common problems easily solved by outsourcing. Number 1. Ballooning costs. Costs rise exponentially as businesses scale. For instance, hiring 3 more customer service agents in the US cost approximately $9,600. An outsourced team of the same size is just $1,200 or roughly 8 times cheaper. Outsourcing lets businesses grow their teams with flexible and affordable options. Number 2. Limited manpower. Small businesses often make the most of their limited staff and double up on tasks to keep operations smooth. For example, business owners typically handle their own marketing and sales if they can't justify the cost of hiring dedicated staff. Outsourcing jobs like digital marketing and customer support helps address this issue at a reasonable cost. Number 3. Expert vacancies. Many companies, especially startups, lack experts who can push their organization in the right direction to grow. This leaves them vulnerable to pitfalls like security risks and compliance issues, which put them at a huge disadvantage against larger competitors and threats. BPO companies can deploy experts in various fields, up to C-suite consultants with proven growth track records. Number 4. Slow turnaround. Companies tend to overload employees with repetitive work that brings down team efficiency. Data entry is a good example. 2 hours of data entry per day means 10 hours of productivity per week that could have been used better. Outsourcing brings solutions like dedicated specialists and automation to handle tasks and boost overall efficiency. Number 5. Evolving markets. Businesses also contend with shifting market needs all the time, meaning that response determines future success. Changes in spending habits like 2020's surge in delivery services, 2023's generative AI tools, and 2025's collectible craze mean businesses have to adapt to needs constantly. BPO companies enable businesses to adapt to markets faster with scalable services and strategies. And these are just the more common examples, because outsourcing has endless uses and applications day to day. BPO partners are also critical partners in updating IT infrastructure, modernizing workflows, and enhancing compliance, just to name a few. Outsourcing is more than just a tool for success. It's a partnership that helps make businesses a better place for customers and employees. Follow us to learn more BPO insights or schedule a discovery call today. We'll be waiting. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.